VendingChicago.com is the leading vending machine company, providing superior workplace refreshments. We proudly serve the Chicago metro area. Our products are always fresh and always convenient. Utilizing the latest vending machine technology and equipment on the market. We brew and serve robust coffee from Folgers to Starbucks, offering refreshment solutions for any budget. For over 30 years, we have specialized in total office refreshment. Our goal is to energize your workforce. Our vending machines provide ice-cold beverages, including sodas, tea, and water. As leaders in healthy vending, we offer refreshments that are low-fat, no-fat, low sugar, sugar-free, low-carb, high-protein, and vitamin-enriched. Our snack vending machines guarantee product delivery each and every time. Improving your employee productivity is our goal. We deliver comprehensive office refreshment solutions 24/7, 365 days a year. Our formula for success is simple. Better service plus better selection plus cutting-edge technology equals happy customers. Visit VendingChicago.com to request our refreshment services in your workplace.